This is Scion Xb 2005 and we are replacing oxygen sensors upstream and downstream. So you gotta remove this console right here by removing that screw over there, and there will be a connector like right here. Okay, so just put this up and you can take it out from here and from here like this, and here's the sensor connection. Okay, so you gotta use a special tool for that.
Stop,
like
man.
A whole kit. You can rent it, or you can get your own.
So this one I have loosened up. Not this one. This one is really tight.
Really tight.
Yeah. Кукурузинку. That's a little way better.
Lubricated W40. It's easier. Okay, so that's the downstream. Check this out, guys. It's bent. It's in very bad condition. No wonder there was a code. So that's the code we have. Oxygen sensor circuit, high voltage, bank 1, sensor 2. So as you can see, it's like really bent. It's just really bad. Okay, so they are different, okay?
These are the same because it's all upstream. See?
Upstream and downstream are different because the connections are different.
Yeah, otherwise you cannot determine which one is what.
Yeah, you cannot insert
Like the
it
connections only.
or plug it in. So we would have to cut this one as well. Just cut it like in half, or just one side,
One side. We're gonna
And-
cut the one side.
and put it on and reinstall this to the vehicle. Okay, you use, guys, anti-seize and apply it to the thread and tighten these. You can use 22mm range. Connect the wire. This is how the new one looks. Now we're gonna apply anti-seize.
Just a little bit. Should be enough to hold this place, to hold this thing.
Let's install it.
It's going down though.
Let's break this loose.
Hopefully that we will be able to. It's actually a tough one.
Okay.
I think I'm close. Yeah. I'm gonna cut this sheep. Oh, it does cut.
Alright.
And I'm gonna cut this off probably. Just gonna cut that off.
You don't need it, right?
We don't need that. As close as possible to the wires. I'm gonna leave it as this. They cut the wires, maybe. But I don't care. It's an old one.
Okay, we got the wire out. We can also plug it in. Okay, now we're gonna install this one. Facing down. Gonna put it on right here and just bring it down there. Okay, so we deleted the codes. We just need to drive for a while and see if it comes back or not. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.